Welcome to a video on arrangements in a circle. So when we look at arrangements in a circle for this unit, when we place people around a circle, there's only one way to place the first person, and then you place the remaining people. So if there are n people to be placed, that first person takes the spot and the remaining people can be placed in n-1 factorial ways. So when we actually look at arrangements in a circle, you consider the restrictions and choose an order for each group, and then place the first group and arrange the others in n-1 factorial ways. So let's have a look at some examples. So, family 7 seated randomly around a table. What's the probability that the two youngest members are seated together? So let's just focus on the family of 7 first, sitting them around the table. So sitting the 7 members, so the first person to be seated, and that would leave you one less than 7, so that's 6 factorial, which is 720 ways of placing all of the members. Now remember, in probability, that's the number that goes on the bottom because that's the total number of ways. So once we put the two youngest together, now their order is important, so that's either 2p2 or 2 factorial. So those two youngest can be seated in two separate ways, just themselves, but consider them as a group. And then you add the remaining 5 family members, so that's 6. You place the group first, and then the remaining 5 is 5 factorial, so that's 120. So the probability that the two youngest is 2 factorial times 5 factorial over the 6 factorial from the first part. So there's a 1 in 3 ways that they can sit together. Second example, so this is out of a past HSC. How many ways can 6 people from a group of 15 people be chosen and then arranged in a circle? So we're going to choose 6 out of 15. Now remember, think about, is order important or not? So does it matter if you're chosen first or chosen 6th? So in this case it doesn't, so therefore that's a combination because the order is not important. So we're going to make that our first part, and then from there, from those 6, we're then going to arrange those in a circle. So the restriction of 6 people chosen from 15, where it's not important, is 15C6, and then those 6 are placed in a circle. So with those 6, you place one person first, so that's 6 minus 1 left to be placed, so that's 5 factorial ways. So therefore the total amount is 15C6 times 5 factorial, which is 600,600. Thank you.